Permanente workers across the country are preparing to walk off the job tomorrow in what could be the largest healthcare workers strike in U.S. history.
And this will impact thousands of frontline workers at local facilities, in addition to the hundreds of pharmacy technicians who have already taken to the picket line. Fox 12 So-Young Kim joins us from Clackamas tonight with the story. So-Young.
Nora, Pete, we're here in front of Sunnyside Medical Center, where one group of workers were already on the picket lines earlier today. For another larger group of workers, they were preparing to walk off the job starting tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock.
I've clocked in and out for 25 years.
Juanita Kamhut has worked at Kaiser Permanente in Clackamas for more than 2 decades. She calls the current level of short staffing a crisis.
Tomorrow, we will strike, not just for the members, but especially for our patients who deserve the best care.
About 4,000 frontline healthcare workers in the region, including nursing assistants like Juanita, plan to walk off the job starting Wednesday morning as a part of a nationwide strike at Kaiser Permanente over what they call unfair labor practices if an agreement isn't reached before 6 o'clock. A spokesperson for the Service Employees International Union, Local 49, says they represent certified nursing assistants and others across more than 60 Kaiser facilities in the area.
We've been in bargaining with Kaiser since April. Personally, I have had care delayed, due to staffing issues.
Separately, about 400 local pharmacy technicians and other workers at Kaiser Permanente are already on a 21-day strike that began Sunday. The Kaiser pharmacy employees are represented by the United Food and Commercial Workers Local 555. Both unions say these two strikes point to a larger issue.
Union power! People at Kaiser are overworked and they're understaffed.
Kaiser Permanente sent Fox 12 a statement saying in part, quote, "We understand and share the frustration, the burnout, and the exhaustion. We will absolutely do the right thing for our employees to support the team, reward them, and be there for them. We also have a responsibility to make sure our high-quality care is affordable and available to meet our members' needs."
If the thousands do go on strike tomorrow morning, it's planned to be a 3-day strike. Kaiser says they will remain open in the area during the strike and will notify patients impacted by changes in service. Live in Clackamas, So-Young Kim, Fox 12 Oregon.